Hi! In front of me is STK LIFE 9 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new default app. In my case, it will be Opera Mini browser. I already downloaded it because it was taking forever to install, so I have it already. Now I can go into device settings and select apps and notifications. Over here select advanced over here and tap on default apps. Now you need to select one of those sections. I want to change my browser app, so I have to click on browser app over here and tap on my Opera Mini. Then when I go back, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!